we definitely left some points on the table last year, and we're just going to try to take every game by game, but definitely look to go fully unbeaten this year. I think it's a really great opportunity. It's a new year, and I think we definitely came in with some momentum.
We had a really good year last year, 2 cup finals. I think the thing we were missing last year was certainly consistency. So I'll absolutely be working on getting consistent in the league and making sure that we have momentum and stuff coming in, and we make sure from the get-go that we just have a really good attitude towards it.
We finished in the top 3 last year, so I think we know we're capable of it, so I think contending for the league is obviously one that myself and probably a lot of other players are saying as well. We know that we can win trophies. We won back-to-back All-Ireland, so hopefully we can carry that through to an FAI Cup run, as we got knocked out in the first round last year against Shelburne, a last-minute winner. So hopefully a good cup run and contending for the league.
Cork away, first game of the season, I think it'll be a really good game. So yeah, I'm buzzing to get going. I think on a personal level, just to get as much goals as I can, as much game time. I think as a team to win silverware and start off really strong and just get some flow going.
We'd be looking to push into the top kind of half of the table, so that would be our main goal. I think if we were a bit more consistent kind of at the start of the season compared to last year, we'd probably be kind of well in with a chance for that, I'd say.
When I first came in, it was there was 2 teams, and it was either or who was going to win the league. But this year, anything can happen, and I think it's really exciting, and it's good for the league that it's going that way.
It's a tough game every week. There's not 1 or 2 or 3 in particular games that you can target and say like we want to take results there, because every week there needs to be a goal every week to go and win the game. So I think that our primary goal this year will be to be competitive and to grind out results.
I think every team says that they're here to win trophies. You wouldn't be playing if you weren't. It was great to get silverware last year, but this is a completely new year, so we'll see what happens. We'll just take each game as it comes, hope for the best result, and go from there.